whispers of the past. I hear echoes of my heritage.
Haaaaaaaaaaaa Lobo.
A story woven deep inside. The rhythms of my ancestors, drums beat strong and fierce. Like heartbeats come the wisdom of their words. A guiding light, illuminating paths through the darkest night. In every step, a memory stays. A heritage that shapes in endless ways. The echoes of my past, a treasure so rare, a gift that whispers, you are aware of our roots that run deep, of a history grind, a heritage that echoes across Umaututu.
In the heart of Cross River State, Nigeria, lies a town steeped in rich cultural heritage. Welcome to Yakor, where the vibrant Leboku festival comes alive every year.
The town called Ugep was originally, or is known by the people as Uma. But the name Ugep was given to the town by the British who came in through Agwagune. Agwagune people called Uma, Ugem, and the British modified Ugem to become Ugep, and that is the name of the town now. Ugep is the center of a cultural community known as the Yakor people. They include Ekori, Nkpani, Idomi, and Nko. These are the core communities of the Yakor people, who are reputed to have come from a place known as Akpa. Now